Hello there. Here at MT Displays, we take your needs seriously. Our mission is to design distinctive and innovative solutions for you and for your clients. So here there are two new products we designed for you: edge clamp and midsection clamp, along with their dividers to use with these clamps. Both are simple and economical solutions to create social distancing and personal workstation for various environments. Moreover, these clamps can be used in educational centers, offices, reception, medical centers, or even airports. Now we review two clamps closer. Edge clamp kit offers quick protective partition when it is attached front or side of a desk, cashier, or counter. You don't have to drill the tabletop or tape it, but just clamp it. This removable kit includes a pair of brackets to secure the panels. It is made of sturdy steel, powder-coated steel, and inside coated with EVA to avoid scratching the table or the panel. It fits 6 mm up to 40 mm thick tables, and it accepts dividers in thickness minimum 2 mm and maximum 8 mm. This removable clamp is easy to place and relocate and remove. Let's see how to place the clamp. Simply clamp it on the edge of the table and tighten the black knob underneath. Open the brackets to place the panel in between. Tighten the wind screws underneath. In order to have a straight divider, you need to tighten the wind screws well. Now the product is ready for use. Let's review midsection clamp closer. It is designed to hold dividers to separate the space on a table, cashier, or a desk. It combines 3 parts. It is made of strong, sturdy, powder-coated aluminum, and inside the clamps, it is supported by EVA to avoid any scratches on the table or on the panel. It fits 6 mm up to 40 mm tables, and it holds panel minimum 2 mm and maximum 8 mm thick. Midsection clamp is easy to install with the help of the knob without drilling or taping the table. Besides, it is easy to remove and relocate the clamp and partition to adjust the space on a table. Especially when it is used with frosted panels, it creates privacy and personal workstation for each person so that it blocks distraction as well as unwanted germs and viruses. Midsection clamp is suitable for various places like restaurants, cafes, waiting rooms, receptions, or many different places. We offer 3 divider options to use with edge clamp and midsection clamp: frosted panel, wood panel, and clear panel. Clear and frosted panel are made of 4 or 6 mm acrylic based on the dimension. Both are shipped with double-sided protection film on it to ensure it reaches the final client without any scratches on. Clear and frosted acrylic is easily cleaned by soap and water or just alcohol disinfectants. Wood panel is made of 3mm MDF. You can use chalk or chalkboard marker to write on it. Just clean it with wet wipe. All three panels have soft edges. They are packed in 2 pieces. 4 standard sizes we offer, and custom sizes are also available. I hope you like our new clamps and dividers and you find them practical too. If you have any questions, please contact us. We look forward to receiving from you. Bye-bye.
Eurotech, empowering sign makers.